Hey, go kiddies and ways. Welcome back to Mavericks. Playhouse. Here is the lineup.
Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Mavericks Playhouse. Today, we are doing another part of Cars versus Monster Trucks.
All right.
We got all these cars and monster trucks lined up, and then we gotta spin a wheel over the bench, which way we're gonna spin it. Now let's spin it. Looks like we're gonna do Tiger Shark and Pixel Shaker. First, we got Tiger Shark versus Pixel Shaker. Oh! Pixel Shaker got in first, so I'm gonna count that as a win.
I'm gonna spin.
I like that bubble sound.
Me too.
Next up, we're gonna have SpongeBob and Governor. Next up, we got SpongeBob versus Governor. SpongeBob wants control. And Governor takes the win.
Yes, sir.
Round 3. Next up, we're gonna have Bigfoot and Big T. Next up, we got Bigfoot. We got Bigfoot versus Big T. Oh! I think it was Big T. So let's give it to Big T.
Yes, sir.
Round 4. Next up, we're going to do Raphael and Chevy. Next up, we got Raphael and Chevy.
Oh,
Raphael
man.
bounced out
What
of
a
the
nice
water.
landing, but sir, you're eliminated, brother.
And Chevy wins. Round 5. Next up, we're going to do... We already did Bigfoot and Big T. Next up, we're going to do... Baja Buster and Dodge Van.
Yeah.
Next up, we got Baja Buster and Dodge Van. Oh! Dodge
Looks
Van
like Dodge
almost
Van-
got eaten
Yeah.
by the sea turtle.
Well, who got there first?
We need to try again.
All right.
All right, that was the DNF. Next one. Oh, looks like we gotta give it to Dodge Van.
Yep.
Next up, we're gonna do Twin Bill and Buzz Bomb. Next up, we got Twin Bill and Buzz Bomb.
Oh,
Twin Bill
sorry.
eliminated.
And Buzz
Buzz Bomb wins.
Nice.
Next up, we're gonna do Dodge Challenger RT and Extreme. Next up, we're gonna do Dodge Challenger RT and Extreme.
Oh.
Oh, Extreme is eliminated and Dodge Challenger RT was on. Next up, we're gonna do Pure Muscle and Mazda. We got Pure Muscle and our fastest girl, Mazda. Pure Muscle just pushed Mazda in the water, so we will give it to Mazda. Cilatra and Later Crater. Next up, we're gonna do Soraka and Later Crater.
Oh.
Oh! Cilatra almost got eaten by the sea turtle. And Later Crater wins.
What? Fast one.
Yep, Race Station's doing good though.
All right.
Smash this. Race Station versus Donut Drifter. Let's go, Keys Leaf. Oh! You don't know who won, but let's do it again. That's what you do. Donut Drifter!
Yep.
Okay, so we're moving on to the semifinals. Oh wait, the second round. We're gonna do a yes or no wheel. Wait. Hang on. Okay, let me go back. Yeah, Cars versus Monster Trucks. Okay. Cars versus Monster Trucks. Semifinals. Wait, this is not the semifinals. This is the second round. Second round. We have to, we just go back. Oh, we just put it on. Okay. Wait. Hang on a second. Okay, let me go over to the... Alright, kiddies and woodies. We're moving on to the second round, and we picked a yes or no wheel. Now, let's spin it. Oh, wait. I'm going to change the... spin the wheel. I like that. Pixel Shaker versus... We got Pixel Shaker versus Buzz Bomb. Oh, versus Dodge Van. Oh! Dodge Van jumped out of the sea turtle's mouth, but we don't know who won. Oh, we don't know. Oh! Dodge Van jumped out of the water. And Pixel Shaker wins. Next up, we're going to do Donut Drifter versus Later Crater. We got Donut Drifter versus Later Crater. Oh, we don't know who won. Oh, Later Crater jumped out of the sea turtle.
That's some big speed.
One more try. Go. They both landed it, but...
I know, it's like a tie again.
Ow!
Where you going with?
No, I don't know.
We got 3 ties so far. See what happens again. I gotta give it to the donut.
But we'll give it to Donut Drifter. Next up, we're gonna do Mazda versus... We got Mazda versus... we already got Mazda already. So we got Mazda versus Big T.
Nope.
All right, guys. Oh, Big T! The winner! Oh,
Bro.
Big T. Next up, we're gonna do Dodge Challenger RT versus we got Dodge Challenger RT versus Dodge Van. So we got Later Crater versus Buzz Bomb. We got Dodge Challenger RT versus Buzz Bomb. I don't know.
Buzz Bomb.
One more try. We have to make it fair. Buzz Bomb win. Let's go. And Buzz Bomb loses! And Dodge Challenger RT moves on to the next round. We got Chevy versus... We gotta get Governor. Let me change the settings. yes or no wheel. Let's try colorful rainbow bright. All right, now let's get building. Go on to the semifinals. First up, we're gonna do Mazda versus Governor. We got Mazda versus Governor. I don't know. I don't know. But they both split up. But we're gonna do it together. Hang on, let me change something. Okay, let me change something. Take off my glasses. Governor, we already did Governor already. Next up, we're gonna do Pixel Shaker versus Pixel Shaker versus Donut Drifter. And next up, we got Pixel Shaker versus Donut Drifter. Oh! We don't know who won.
Oh, he popped out.
Donut Drifter just blocked out Pixel Shaker into the grass, so he loses. Leading Donut Drifter to move on with the Challenger Art. Oh wait. Nope. Let's change the settings. How about that? Nope. All right, let's race. Drifter to lead his first point. We're going to free. So Donut Drifter got a second point. We're going to Dodge Challenger RT. Dodge Challenger RT 1 and Donut Drifter 2. Oh! Oh, wait. Dodge Challenger RT lost his cool.
Yep.
Let's do it again.
Oh!
Oh! Donut Drifter got eaten by the sea turtle. And Dodge Challenger RT got a second point. Yeah, I think he was that. Oh! We will give it to Dodge Challenger RT. The final round. We got Governor taking on Dodge Challenger RT. This is gonna be a nice one. Let's get
Oh, in the mouth and out the mouth.
Oh, wait. Governor almost got eaten by the sea turtle, but he knocked him out. He knocked him out of his mouth.
Governor wins.
Yeah!